Hello Word, everyone. Welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore English vocabulary one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is dress. A dress is a piece of clothing for women or girls that covers the top half of the body and hangs down over the legs. It's a noun, and it's a pretty common word you'll hear all the time. So, what exactly is a dress? Think of it as a one-piece outfit. It can be long, it can be short, it can be formal, or it can be casual. Now, let's talk about some words that are similar to dress, some synonyms. One synonym for dress is gown. We often use gown to describe a long, formal dress. For example, she wore a beautiful gown to the wedding. Another synonym is frock. Frock is often used for a simple, casual dress. For example, she put on a pretty summer frock. And how about outfit? While not exclusively meaning dress, it can sometimes be used in place, particularly if you are referring to the entire ensemble. She chose a vibrant outfit for the party, a striking dress with matching shoes. Now, let's consider some antonyms, words with the opposite meaning. Since a dress is a single piece of clothing, antonyms could be words describing separate pieces of clothing like a skirt and a top, or pants and a shirt. For example, instead of a dress, she wore a skirt and a blouse. Another antonym could be something like suit. A suit is usually made up of separate pieces, typically a jacket and trousers or a skirt, and is often considered more formal than a dress. For example, she wore a business suit to the meeting, not a dress. Another example of an antonym could be separates. For her casual look, she opted for separates rather than a dress. Now, let's talk about how we use dress in everyday life. You might say, I need to buy a new dress for the party. Or, that dress looks beautiful on you. You might also ask, is this dress appropriate for a job interview? We often use adjectives to describe different kinds of dress, like a long dress, a short dress, a summer dress, a party dress, or a wedding dress. Here are some more usage examples in sentences and phrases. She wore a red dress to the dance. He complimented her on her elegant dress. The shop sells a variety of dresses. She designed her own wedding dress. The dress code for the event is formal. That dress is on sale. She decided to dress up for the occasion and wear her best dress. She spilled coffee on her dress. She needs to iron her dress. The dress fits her perfectly. Let's recap. Today we learned that a dress is a piece of clothing for women that covers the top half of the body and hangs down over the legs. We explored synonyms like gown and frock. We also looked at antonyms like skirt and top or suit. And we talked about how we use dress in everyday conversations. Remember the examples. I need to buy a new dress. That dress looks beautiful on you. The shop sells a variety of dresses. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. Now, for our call to action. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others find Hello Word and learn English with us. And here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word dress and share it as a comment under this episode. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using your new vocabulary. I'm Alex, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word. Let's try this one. I need a black dress for the funeral this Saturday at 3 p.m. Also, consider she tried on a blue dress, but preferred the green one. Don't forget, my favorite dress is comfortable and stylish. Here are a few more examples. The store has a sale on summer dresses. She accessorized her dress with a necklace and earrings. The tailor is altering her dress to make it fit better. And lastly, she felt confident and beautiful in her new dress. Remember, dress can be used in many different contexts, from casual to formal. I hope this has been helpful. Goodbye.